aka Phase 1. I love you. Okay, but Frank, I love you a lot. But this is like a really funny video. I love the part where like, well, it wasn't me, so keep going, you know? But yeah, so, but we really busted one on the part. Dude got Tourette's. Oh no, say it. When you say that you was funny.
I forgot what I said. Oh, cause the only funny part was the dude with the Tourette's. I'm sorry. He
No,
made it funny.
no, he didn't. Frank is hilarious. I love Frank.
He was all up in the background.
He was
You
like,
know?
yeah,
What's up?
yeah.
Making the awkwardest noises ever.
But no, I love Frank. He's the reason I watched the video. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Bye, Frank.
No,
Deuces.
don't